Hello, good afternoon. This class is aimed at second grade students of elementary school. Dear students, my name is Robert Israel Rojas Mellado. This time I want to expose you in this class the power of the plant dog some digital resource. Alright. The plan of the part. In this first presentation, I will show you video with the power of the plants to start the class in the motivational way. I hope that the student appreciate the subject in a general and playful way. We watch the following video of the part of the plant and practice the pronunciation as well as the importance of its parts. In the second slide, I present an image of the tree with each part in English, where we continuously practice pronunciation with each of the students. In this third slide, we will watch a video where planting or showing a seed will be explained. The purpose is to learn how a plant grows into tree. We sing the song with the children and enjoy the music, and then focus on the tail of the tent. The last slide deals with how to germinate an apple seed, and we put into practice not only but the pronunciation, but also we put the class activity into practice. Germinate and seed, material to germinate an apple seed, a glass, a cotton, a water, an apple seed. With this presentation, we conclude the English class, and we hope it has been important in the teaching and learning process of the student. Thank you very much.